Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you'll be watching this video. Guys, you remember I said this year we'll have a lot of things to unbox. I was just prophesying, not knowing that it was going to come to pass. So I got my Valentine gift and it's right in front of you. So I want to unbox it with you guys. Yes, I want to do the unboxing with you guys so that you can as well rejoice with me. So let's get into the video proper. If today is your first time stopping by, please don't make it your last, and do subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you get notified. So this is the brand of washing machine. You can see it. So that is what we are unboxing today. Let's get into the video proper. Let's get started, guys. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. This is our new baby. You can see. Yes. So my husband brought this home yesterday, being the 15th of February. Yes, he said it was part of the Valentine gift. Please do shower your prayers on him in the comment section. Yes, this is it. This is what it looks like. We have more unboxing to do this year, so stay tuned. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of them. I hope you like what you are seeing on this channel. Yes, thank you so much to my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time, please join the family. Yes, so that you don't miss out in any of these good things, goodies. Yes, let me bring the camera closer so that you can take a good look at it. So guys, let's continue. Voila! This is it. You can see how God remembered me. So this is how it looks. I am so happy getting this at this time. Yes, I'm so happy. Yes. So at least now my washing have to reduce. So I hope you love all the content you are getting from this channel. Please drop your words of prayers, drop your comments, and I will really be glad to read and reply to them. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being part of this family. I don't take it for granted at all. I hope you do know that. Stay tuned or stick tuned. Please subscribe if today is your first time, so you don't miss out on any of all these goodies, on any of my videos, on any of my recipe, on any of my unboxing. So please stay tuned. If today is your first time, don't make it your last. Click on the notification bell, subscribe, stay tuned so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you. Let me bring the camera closer so that you can take a look at the inside. This is it. Yeah, it's written here is 8 kg. This is the product name, broom. This is the spinner. Yes, this is for drying it, that is spinning it, drying off the water from it. and this is the washing machine itself, the washing sector. Let me open it inside so that we can all take a look. This is the manual. Yes, I've used something similar to this while I was in Nigeria. Yes, but that one was a little bit smaller. That one was 6.5 kg. Yes, this one is bigger. This is 8 kg. Either 6.5 or 7 kg. That is what I used in Nigeria. And I love this one because it's bigger. It's bigger. It's bigger. Guys, can you see that? It's bigger. And this is it. Yeah, this is it. The inside, this is how the inside is. This thing here is for the spinner. Yeah, it should be this one is for the spinner. It's for here. This thing will go off when it's in use. So I'm so happy. So this is the back. This is it. Yeah. So thank you guys for always tuning in to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Thank you. I really do appreciate. So my hand can rest, and I look at my hand. I don't know whether you see. This is from washing. You see the second one, washing clothes. I will come back and show you how the nails look in the next 1 to 2 months. This is it. This one, it pains me a lot sometimes after washing, but thank God it's gonna stop now because the washer is here now. The washer is here. Please guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. I don't take it for granted. I hope you know. Thank you so much for being part of this family. Thank you so much. So I'll be ending this video here. Bye.